It's time for our next team building challenge, Bird's Nests.
All the eggs have fallen out of your nest. In your group, your job is to get all the eggs back in your nest.
That sounds exciting.
One person per group assumes each of the following roles. Gatherer. This person is blindfolded, nonverbal, and the only member allowed across a designated line to gather the group's colored eggs. Next, we have the instructors. This person is blindfolded, as well as the only person in the group that can speak. It is their job to give directions to the gatherer. Finally, we have the spotter. This person can see, but not talk. It is his or her responsibility to locate the group's eggs and give nonverbal directions to the instructor in order for the gatherer to locate the eggs and bring them back to your nest.
Before beginning, you should brainstorm to have a strategy. How can you effectively communicate with your team to retrieve the eggs?
I have an excellent idea.
Will your group be the fastest to get the eggs? Only time will tell.
I didn't expect it to be so hard.
Matt!
This is great. I needed some exercise.